KZ keeps its packaging philosophy consistent, minimalist, functional, and product-focused. Inside the box, the Duet earbuds are presented alongside two sets of ear tips designed to support both semi-in-ear and in-ear configurations, a cable with inline controls, and documentation. The inclusion of interchangeable ear tips is particularly relevant here, as it fundamentally changes both comfort and acoustic performance. The presentation may not be luxurious, but it is efficient, with resources clearly invested in the hardware rather than the packaging. The KZ Duet combines translucent resin housings with metallic stems, creating a modern, understated aesthetic. The finish varies between obsidian black and porcelain white, both maintaining a clean, tech-forward look. The materials feel durable without adding unnecessary weight, and the overall construction inspires confidence for daily use. The inline control module is compact and houses dual microphones with improved sensitivity. This is not just a spec upgrade. In practice, voice pickup is noticeably clearer compared to standard single mic implementations. From the first interaction, the KZ Duet feels lightweight. The semi-in-ear ergonomic angle is immediately noticeable, offering a more relaxed fit compared to deep seal in-ear monitors. This design reduces ear fatigue during extended sessions, especially for gaming or long listening periods. The cable is flexible and reinforced, minimizing tangling and microphonic noise during movement. Sonically, the dual driver system delivers a layered presentation. The 10mm driver handles sub-bass and mid-bass with authority, reaching low frequencies with convincing depth, while the 8mm driver manages clarity and articulation in vocals and higher frequencies. The KZ Duet stands out by delivering a technically competent dual driver implementation in a highly accessible and practical form factor. It successfully bridges the gap between hi-fi listening and gaming performance without relying on software-heavy solutions. The combination of strong bass extension, clear mids, and precise imaging makes it suitable for both immersive entertainment and competitive gameplay. Its modular comfort approach, solid build quality, and zero-latency wired connection further reinforce its value proposition. For those seeking a reliable, great-sounding wired solution that performs equally well in gaming and music scenarios, the KZ Duet is a well-engineered and compelling choice.